Are you looking for the best fertilizer for red tip Photinia? Fertilizing red tip Photinia effectively requires understanding plant needs, soil pH, and the nutrient mix that supports vibrant foliage and robust growth. Photinia, like many evergreen shrubs, benefits from acid-loving formulations, phosphorus for root and bloom initiation, and balanced micronutrients that sustain color without promoting excessive leafy growth at the expense of flowering.
Product number 1 is Spoma Organic Hollytone. Overview. Hollytone is billed as the original organic plant food designed for acid-loving plants, featuring a 4-3-4 analysis with 5% sulfur and biotone beneficial microbes. It comes ready to use, requires no mixing, and is suitable for azaleas, hydrangeas, rhododendrons, blueberries, evergreens, strawberries, and camellias, among others. The product is marketed as organic and registered for organic gardening in the USA, with 2 4-pound bags per pack in the bundled option. Its slow-release organics are intended to support long-term nutrient availability, particularly in acidic soils common to Photinia-adjacent plantings. Performance-wise, Hollytone emphasizes sustained nutrient release rather than rapid response, which can be advantageous for evergreen shrubs where steady growth and color retention matter more than immediate flush. Its organic composition reduces risk of fertilizer burn and improves soil biology via biotone, which may contribute to soil structure over time. Users should apply around the drip line in spring and fall, watering in to move nutrients into the root zone. This method aligns with best practices for Photinia beds where root zones extend laterally. While ideal for acid lovers, it may provide less rapid green up than synthetic 0-45-0 or higher nitrogen blends when bulky growth is desired in a single season.
Product number 2, Spoma Triple Phosphate. Overview. Triple Phosphate 0-45-0 is a conventional phosphorus-rich fertilizer designed to promote root development and flowering. It is a granular, ready-to-use product without mixing, intended for a broad range of ornamentals, including flowering plants, trees, shrubs, and vegetables. It is 100% triple phosphate with no fillers and is produced in the USA. The granular form makes it simple to apply around the soil near the drip line and water in for uptake. In practice, 0-45-0 delivers a strong phosphorus boost that supports root establishment and bloom initiation, which can benefit Photinia transplants or established shrubs undergoing flowering. However, its high phosphorus emphasis means relatively low immediate nitrogen supply, so above-ground lushness may be slower unless combined with subsequent nitrogen inputs. For red tip Photinia, this product is well suited as a supplemental root and flower stimulant, particularly during root establishment or renewal after pruning, but it should be timed carefully to avoid excessive premature bloom without adequate foliage support.
Product number 3, Spoma Organic Hollytone. Overview. This is the same Hollytone formulation as the 4-pound option, but offered in a much larger 36-pound bag, ideal for substantial landscapes or repeated annual feeding. It retains the 4-3-4 analysis with 5% sulfur and biotone, maintaining organic credentials and a long-term nutrient reservoir. The bag size translates to lower per-unit cost for larger installations, and its organic basis supports sustainable soil health initiatives over multiple seasons. In terms of performance, the larger 36-pound bag enables consistent season-long feeding schedules for Photinia hedges or foundation plantings. The slow-release organics align with slow and steady growth goals and reduce risk of salt burn in clay-heavy soils. Users should apply in spring and fall around the drip line, ensuring thorough watering to move nutrients into the root zone. While efficiency improves, the user must manage application dosing to prevent over-application in zones with dense root networks. The product's organic certification remains attractive to organic gardeners seeking compliant inputs.
Product number 4, Spoma Organic Hollytone. Overview. This is the 4-pound bag variant of Hollytone, identical in composition and labeling to the 4-pound option described earlier, designed for convenient home use and smaller garden spaces.
It emphasizes readiness and user-friendly application without mixing, making it a popular choice for hobbyists who prioritize ease of use and organic credentials while supporting acid-loving shrubs and perennials. Performance-wise, the 4-pound bag is well suited for small to medium Photinia plantings, giving a reliable slow-release nutrient supply through spring and fall applications. Its targeted approach around the drip line and the emphasis on acid-loving species help maintain plant health and color without encouraging fertilizer burn. For those managing soil pH constraints or seeking organic gardening options, this variant remains a strong option, though ongoing needs in larger borders may require the bigger bag or additional applications.
Product number 5. Espoma Organic Hollytone Overview. The 18-pound bag of Hollytone again preserves the 434 organic formulation with biotone and sulfur, designed for mid-sized landscapes or frequent seasonal feeding. This size offers a balance between the 4-pound and 36-pound options, delivering better unit economics for households with several Photinia plants or medium-sized hedgerows. Performance-wise, the 18-pound bag allows more flexible scheduling, enabling spring and fall applications with consistent soil conditioning benefits. Its ready-to-use nature and organic credentials remain attractive, particularly for gardeners who favor sustainable inputs. Users should apply around the drip line and water in well, watching for soil moisture conditions to optimize nutrient uptake. While not the fastest acting option, it delivers dependable, long-term soil health improvements that support Photinia resilience and color retention over multiple seasons.